let's take a look at how we can write a basic function in Kotlin. So, to start off, we use the fun keyword. This denotes that we are going to define a new function. The next step is to write the name. So in this case, we'll say return exciting thing. So we have the same naming conventions that we're familiar with writing Java methods. Next, we'll define the parameters that this function will take. In this case, we're not going to take any parameters. We'll look at that in a future tutorial. Next, we define the return type. You define the return type in Kotlin by adding a colon and then the type. In this case, string. We'll then add curly braces for our function body, and then we need to define our logic in the function. So in this case, we'll add return so that we have our explicit return statement, and then we'll add quotes to define our string literal, and we'll say, yay, Kotlin functions. And that's really it. That's all you have to do to define a basic function in Kotlin. So to review, we have the function keyword, we have our function name, any parameters within the parentheses following the name, colon, the return type, and then the function body. Now, Kotlin does provide different ways to simplify this process, and we'll look at those in future tutorials, but for now, this is the basics to write a simple Kotlin function.